The British transfer record has been broken twice by the same club in the same transfer window. Let that just sink in. But did you know, back in 1996, when Alan Shearer had signed for Newcastle in a deal worth 15 million, that deal today is worth 222 million pounds. So, where does that now put Isak's 130 million transfer to Liverpool in the most expensive British transfers of all time? So, उसको समझने के लिए दोस्तों we'll have to understand a bit about the football inflation calculator. Football inflation calculator takes into account things like TV rights, broadcasting deals and sponsorships. And आप agree करोगे 20 साल में 100 रुपए की वैल्यू तो काफी चेंज हो चुकी है in terms of magnitude. And similarly, back in 2000, the Premier League broadcasting rights were valued at 670 million, as opposed to today, it is worth 6.5 billion pounds. Roy Keane की जो ट्रांसफर थी to United back in the day, which was a 3.5 million pound, is now valued 94 million pounds. एंड 2011 में जब चेल्सी ने फर्नांडो टोरेस को खरीदा था लिवरपूल से फॉर अ डील व्हिच वाज वर्थ 50 मिलियन पाउंड्स इज नाउ वर्थ 112 मिलियन पाउंड्स, लिटरली इक्विवेलेंट टू व्हाट लिवरपूल पेड फॉर फ्लोरियन वर्ट्स. एंड Alan Shearer, a deal which was worth 15 million back in the day, 15 million was an unheard of amount for any club pay for a footballer. And that 15 million is worth 222 million pounds. But yes, I will agree with you. Isak is a title defining striker and will always be a bargain in my opinion, at least as of today. I think Liverpool fans have got to be excited about the prospect of having Isak lead the line. And yes, ऐसे ही और इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरीज एंड फैक्ट्स के लिए प्लीज फॉलो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द वारियर मैन चैनल. सी यू दोस्तों.